Hey everyone, it's Jack Fuki again. I'm back with another 1/500 scale airliner review, and today we're going to be looking at the Herpa S7 Airlines Airbus A310-200. This is a 2009 release, discontinued 2011, and it is unlimited. This is the first version, comes in the 2005 colors and is missing the wingtip sharklets. The registration is VP-BTM and is powered by two CF6-80C2A2 engines. I think it says that, it says it's unlimited. I thought it was this one was a limited edition, but guess not. There's a picture of the actual plane. It is about that bright, in real life, the model and the real plane. I haven't put this plane under the camera here, or in front of the camera, so I don't know if the colors are going to show up true or not. And well, yeah, they do. If you remember that T-Mobile plane I did, the colors, the pink on that was about as bright as the pink as the green on this. But do a closer look. There is a second version of this plane with a different registration number, and it does have the sharklets on the wingtips. But you can see it's got the wipers, Russian flag, S7, the engines, and let's see, no sharklets. Real nice. Basically, it just has people on the side. It is all metal construction. Do a rear view here. Very cool. And flip over the plane. You barely see the cargo doors there, but they are on there. Good job on the engines. At least they're not flat like some of the other ones. Got all registration there. See the landing gear doors. Yeah, their A310 and A300 models are actually pretty good, the Herpa ones. But that does it for this episode. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you want to share the video, pass it on, go ahead and do that. And that's all I got to say about this one. See you guys in the next video. Alright, later.